I want to share something very helpful for new moms, especially those who prefer a no-electric manual breast pump. If you don't want to use an electric pump or need something simple and portable, a manual breast pump is a great option. It does not require electricity or batteries, so you can use it anytime and anywhere at home, while traveling, or even at work. Before starting, always make sure your hands and the pump are clean and properly sterilized. This is very important for your baby's health. Now, gently place the breast pump on the breast, making sure it fits comfortably. Slowly press and release the handle. Use a relaxed rhythm, there's no need to rush. With gentle pressure, breast milk will start to collect naturally into the bottle. One of the biggest advantages of a manual breast pump is that you control the pressure and speed. If it feels uncomfortable, you can slow down. This makes it a pain-free and safe option for many moms. Once the milk is collected, you can easily attach the feeding bottle. As you can see, I'm now feeding my baby using the bottle. Bottle feeding is very helpful when the mother needs rest, or when another family member helps with feeding. Always ensure the bottle and nipple are fully cleaned and sterilized. Hold your baby in a comfortable, upright position and feed slowly, allowing the baby to drink at their own pace. A no-electric breast pump is affordable, lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday use. It's a practical choice for new moms who want a simple and reliable feeding solution. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more mom-friendly tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy motherhood!